Hello, are you looking for a trustworthy supplier of beauty and cosmetic products for your store? Let's take a look at the Activeshop supplier and find out if it can meet your expectations. Activeshop was founded in 2003 and since then it became one of the biggest importers and producers of equipment for tattoo, hairdressing and beauty salons in Europe. Its offer consists of more than 4,000 high-quality products from accessories and handy tools to professional furniture like cosmetic chairs or massage couches. The wholesaler is ready for cooperation with both online and stationary stores, as well as wholesalers, producers and cosmetic salons, so by choosing it, you are almost guaranteed to match the offer to your needs. Partnering with Activeshop gives you access not only to a wide variety of products, but also detailed information and custom-made pictures that allow you to attractively present the products in your store. Please note, however, that based on our knowledge, the product descriptions are only provided in the Polish language, so you may need to use dedicated translation service, such as the one available in the Megamo integrator. All details of products are exported in the form of XML and CSV file, so it is possible to quickly import them to your store using one of automatic integration providers. Orders are placed using Activeshop's B2B online platform. It gives you access to your individual partner's account, where you can monitor current orders, check the wholesale prices, and receive updates about new products available in the supplier's offer, as well as active discounts and sales. Payment can be completed via classic transfer, online payment, payment on delivery, or installment contract. Thanks to the full support for dropshipping, online stores can also establish cooperation without any problems. It takes no more than 48 hours from placing an order to delivery, and most shipments are delivered within 24 hours. It is also possible to use your own delivery service. International sale in cooperation with Activeshop is not only possible, but also a viable option for its partners. Thanks to multiple warehouses, the delivery is fast and reliable, and it usually takes no more than a week for the most distant European countries. The only thing you should take under consideration is lack of product data translations that we have already mentioned. Activeshop does not accept packages provided by the customer, but it also does not attach any additional advertisement content to the packages. The package includes only the goods ordered by the customer. Based on our test, Activeshop would suit most of beauty-related businesses. Whether you own an online store, a stationery shop or a cosmetic salon, you will find products and solutions designed specially for you. Information about products were prepared with care, and the exact same can be said about their photos. We have not much to be pointed out about international sales too. They are processed quickly, and Activeshop supports sales on biggest European markets. The only flaw seems to be lack of description translations, but it can be easily worked around if you put some effort in it. Summing things up, Activeshop receives in our test highly recommended badge, and we think that if you decide to try it, you won't be disappointed.